Welcome back, gardeners! In today's video, we're focusing on choosing the easiest cucumber varieties to grow in your garden. Varieties like Marketmore 76 and Bushcrop are known for their hardiness, disease resistance, and adaptability, making them perfect for beginner and experienced gardeners alike. Two of the most reliable cucumber varieties are Marketmore 76 and Bushcrop. Marketmore 76 is a vigorous grower with excellent disease resistance, making it one of the most popular varieties for home gardens. Bushcrop is a compact plant, perfect for small spaces or container gardening, while still producing abundant, high-quality cucumbers. These varieties are bred for their hardiness and resistance to common cucumber diseases, like powdery mildew and downy mildew. Marketmore 76, in particular, thrives in different climates, whether you're dealing with hot summers or cooler conditions. Both varieties are also highly resistant to pests like cucumber beetles, reducing the need for constant monitoring. Marketmore 76 is a vining variety that grows best when trained on a trellis, saving space and improving airflow. Bushcrop, on the other hand, has a compact growth habit, making it ideal for smaller gardens or even container growing. Both varieties are highly adaptable and easy to manage in various growing conditions. With their hardiness, disease resistance, and adaptability, Marketmore 76 and Bushcrop are two of the easiest cucumber varieties to grow in any garden. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy planting!